Hi everyone, Gemma here, thanks for watching today. In this video we're going to be creating a really pretty feminine birthday card. My inspiration has come from the new collection by Katie Skilton. Her brand is called My Creative Life and this is the Gorgeous Girls. So we've got a 5x7 paper pack, some really lovely beautiful florals in there. Let me just open it up so you can have a look. So I've used this pattern paper on today's card. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I love the colours on this one. You've got the leopard print as well, yellow polka dot. So there's 6 different designs altogether. And they're 24 single-sided pages, 190 GSM. Then we've got the Beautiful Sentiments A6 stamp set. Some really lovely sentiments on there. Make a wish, dream with ambition, lead with conviction, let's celebrate, have a beautiful day. I've used that on today's card. Then we have the Fabulous Sentiments A6 stamp set. So again, a great selection of sentiments. So you've got born to be fabulous, follow your dreams, thanks a bunch. And thanks a bunch works beautifully then with this die set. So they all coordinate together. So this is the Gift of Giving die set. So you've got the bunch of balloons, bunch of flowers, the cake. Then we've got the All Dressed Up die set. So I'll be using this in today's card. You've got a number of different elements. You've got the florals, the present and the book. And then you can dress your girl in different skirts, trousers, shoes, boots, etc. So it'll appeal to a number of age ranges. And then lastly in the collection is the diorama frame die set. So I'll also be using the Happy Birthday die in today's card. But then you've also got Hello Sunshine, To Love, Beautiful You, and this frame here. Then lastly, I'll be using the Ditsy embossing folder from Made to Surprise. So if you want to see this collection in more detail or find some more inspiration using this, head over to Katie Skilton's YouTube channel and I'll pop a link in the description box below. So I've gone ahead and I've prepared most of my elements off camera. So for my card base, I'm going to be using this peachy coloured cardstock. And I've cut a piece to 10x7. Along the 10-inch side I've scored at 5 and we're just going to fold and burnish that. To go on the inside of the card I've cut a panel to 4 3/4 by 6 3/4 and I've heat embossed Have a Beautiful Day on there in gold. So that will sit inside the card. Then for the front I've also cut a piece of 4 3/4 by 6 3/4 and I've dry embossed that with the Ditsy embossing folder and that will sit over the front there. I've then cut a panel of this teal cardstock to 2 3/4 by 7. And then I've also trimmed a piece of the pattern paper to 2.5 by 7. I pop some foam on the back and that's going to sit on the left hand side there like so. So I'll just go and get those attached and I'll come back to you. So that's everything now attached to my card base and the panel inside there. So I've based my colour palette on the pattern paper. And I've prepared all my elements ready to attach. So I'm just going to set those to one side. They're small, delicate die pieces and I don't want to lose them. So they're the hands that sort of wrap around whatever you're displaying, the florals, the book, the presents, etc. The bottom half of the girl I think is going to go around about there and then I've got this floral piece to go there, and then I've just die cut lots of the foliage in different colours, as I said, building on that colour palette on the pattern paper. So I've gone for peaches and orange and teals. Just having a little bit of a play about with placement. So I've got these pieces here, so I've die cut that in white and then also in peach, and I've trimmed off the flower heads there and stuck them on, so I've paper pieced that back together. So I'm going sort of for something like that. So I'm just going to pop you on high speed now while I attach all this. I have attached all my floral pieces. There's sort of a bit of a gap here, so I'm just going to die cut another leaf element and the sort of flowers as well, just to fill that in, but I'll do that off camera. So I've die cut my happy birthday 3 times in orange cardstock and attached those together. And now I'm just going to pop them on the card base, like so. So I wanted a darker orange to what I had in my cardstock. So if you look, the back piece there is a lot lighter than this piece. And all I did was use my alcohol markers to colour that in to get the desired look that I wanted. So don't be afraid to ink up your cardstock or colour them in, as I said, with alcohol markers. You can fill in any gaps that you have then. So I'm just going to finish off the last pieces there to fill in that gap, and I'll add some further embellishment, and then I'll come back to you and show you the final card. So there's the final card. I filled in that gap there, and I'm happy now with the composition of the flowers. I think the card looks stunning. I really like this collection from Katie Skilton. It's something I haven't seen before, something that I don't have in my stash. Obviously I have the florals, but not these, the Gorgeous Girls. I think it works so lovely together. I've just added some pearl embellishments there. And then on the inside, I've just added one of the spare leaves and a flower that I also die cut. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, you might want to hit the like button, leave a comment, or consider subscribing to the channel. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Any products used in today's video will be listed in the description box below. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!